Argentina has officially signed a new defense deal with the United States, securing the acquisition of Stryker 8x8 armored personnel carriers, APCs, for its national army. The agreement was formalized in Washington, where Argentine Defense Minister Luis Petri met with U.S. Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth at the Pentagon. This move is presented as a significant step toward reviving Argentina's long-dormant strategic military capabilities and intensifying defense ties with the U.S. While neither side disclosed how many vehicles are involved in the contract, previous American offers included a package of 27 Strykers. The signing follows earlier purchases by Buenos Aires, including a fleet of F-16 multi-role fighter aircraft, as part of a comprehensive military modernization plan. Minister Petri emphasized that the deal follows the strategic vision of President Javier Milei, who has prioritized the revitalization of Argentina's armed forces. According to Petri, this step is part of a greater agenda aimed at modernizing the military, defending national sovereignty, promoting domestic peace, and boosting Argentina's ability to participate in international peacekeeping missions. Hegseth echoed this by highlighting shared goals between the two nations, including countering regional threats, explicitly citing China as one such challenge. Petri also noted the strong political backing from U.S. President Donald Trump, portraying the procurement as a reflection of growing defense alignment. The Stryker vehicle, designed and manufactured by General Dynamics Land Systems Canada, is an 8-wheeled armored platform based on the Canadian LAV-3. Entering service in the early 2000s, it was developed under the U.S. Army's transformation strategy to bridge the gap between lightly protected wheeled vehicles and heavily armored tracked systems. The vehicle has become a mainstay in the U.S. Army, with over 4,900 units delivered and upgraded over time to meet evolving battlefield needs. Initial contracts, worth $8 billion, covered over 2,100 vehicles for 6 brigade combat teams. The Stryker platform exists in multiple variants, including the M1126 infantry carrier, M1134 tank destroyer, M1133 medical evacuation unit, M1128 mobile gun system, and the M1296 Dragoon fitted with a 30mm cannon. The standard ICV model weighs over 16 tons and runs on a Caterpillar C7 diesel engine producing 350 horsepower, later upgraded in newer versions. Its design allows for 8x4 or full 8x8 drive, with a maximum speed of nearly 100 km per hour and a range of 500 km. Armor protection includes hardened steel and ceramic panels, with options for reactive armor, slat protection, and double V-hulls to counter IED threats. The latest iterations support a total weight of up to 28.5 tons and incorporate blast-resistant seating and enhanced suspension systems. In terms of firepower, most Strykers are armed with a remote weapon station, RWS, mounting an M2 heavy machine gun, M240 medium machine gun, or Mk19 grenade launcher. Some versions are built to launch TOW anti-tank missiles, while others, like the M1296 Dragoon and M-SHORAD variant, carry advanced 30mm cannons, Stingers, Hellfires, or even directed energy lasers for anti-aircraft and drone defense. These are supported by advanced targeting optics and battlefield networking, including driver enhancement systems and planned integration with the Integrated Visual Augmentation System, IVAS. For Argentina, acquiring the Stryker marks a leap forward from its aging inventory of APCs. The current arsenal includes hundreds of M113 tracked vehicles, German-made UR-416s, a few Chinese WZ-551B1S, and around 60 Swiss MOWAG Grenadiers. The Stryker's modern technology, mobility, onboard firepower, and enhanced crew protection represent a considerable upgrade across the board. The full package from the U.S. reportedly includes not only the armored vehicles but also a range of supporting equipment, M2A1 machine guns, smoke grenade launchers, Harris communication systems, CROWS RWS turrets, GPS units, and night vision gear. These additions will significantly boost Argentina's interoperability with NATO-aligned forces. Though no delivery schedule has been disclosed yet, the purchase aligns with Buenos Aires' broader vision of military revitalization. Analysts suggest further acquisitions or variant orders may follow depending on future requirements and budgetary capacity. Globally, the Stryker continues to see widespread service and export interest. The U.S. maintains a fleet of over 4,400 units, many now upgraded to the DVH-A1 configuration. Ukraine has received more than 400 Strykers since 2023, though it has also reported combat losses. Thailand currently fields 130 vehicles, while North Macedonia scaled back its original 54-unit order to 42. Bulgaria approved the acquisition of 183 vehicles in late 2023, and Chile is considering the Stryker as a potential replacement for its MOWAG Piranha I fleet. Meanwhile, India paused its joint production discussions after testing the platform in high-altitude regions, though talks resumed with U.S. approval in early 2025. Despite some countries, like Canada, Israel, and Lithuania, opting for different platforms, the Stryker remains a versatile and globally deployed asset. Argentina's choice to integrate it into their forces signals a new chapter in their defense posture and a stronger pivot toward Western military cooperation.